here's Mico Wallpaper App. As you can see, super high in the charts these days. So here's the app. Yeah, it's a mobile phone beautification app which with rich home screen and lock screen widgets, exquisite high definition 3D depth of field wallpapers to help you create a personalized home screen, iOS 18 widgets and themes, do-it-yourself live wallpapers and battery icon wallpaper, theme template, one-click application, depth of field wallpaper and HD wallpaper, home screen widgets, lock screen widgets, Apple Health tracking. So it's really cool app actually, and you can see there are a number of quite good reviews for this app. So let's just open it up. And here is the app. You can see all kinds of categories for tools in here. So do-it-yourself wallpaper, do-it-yourself lock screen, pad, music widgets, control center. So here you have, like, for example, your lock screen customization. So these are the widgets you can install on the lock screen. So you just tap in here. You can tap to preview how it will look like. You can select icon, you can select background opacity, and then you just need to save widgets. But unfortunately, some of the widgets are paid. If you see the crown icon, it means this widget is paid. So then it's like $4 monthly, it's paid. I don't know, maybe this one is not paid. And then unfortunately, there are a lot of these annoying ads. So yeah, that happens when you do not upgrade in the app. Yeah. So this is annoying, but yeah, there you have it. Then you have all types of like lock screen widgets. Then you can also customize your control center, but control center is iOS 18 feature. Then there is daily horoscope, clock and date, quick start, music interaction, iOS, couple Christmas, quick launcher. So here you have like also quick launchers, which you can add to your screen. And quick launchers are just these really small icons, and you can have like dozens of them on your home screen. And then there are themes. So some of the themes with the crown icon are paid ones. Also there are some free ones, and then you can just select install or just tap one click apply and really quickly install all the icons, wallpapers and widgets. So there are some really nice and cool themes in here. Then there is wallpaper, and then there are mine. So these are your settings, and these are your widgets. So here you can add friends, you can create pets, you can create like a funny dynamic island, do-it-yourself wallpaper where you can customize your wallpaper from photos, for example. Do-it-yourself charging, transparent settings. So yeah, basically to create an account, just tap and log in with Apple. And then this is your profile. So you just need to enter your nickname, avatar, expression, skin color, background, and then you just save it. So that's how you create an account in Mico. And then after that, you will have access to add in friends, to save in your widgets. So here, for example, you have home screen emoji battery, and then you have your lock screen widgets. And then you have all these settings. And then there is also some access to Apple Music free trial for 1 month. And then there are also like redeem codes. So I don't know where to get it, but yeah, you have Mico redeem codes. You can also delete your account in the bottom. So that's the idea. You can also then just share and invite friends to your account. So you can also do that. But basically, you can then just tap add plus and then just add Mico. And then this is how you add small widget, medium widget, or large widget. So here is a small widget. And then I just tap and hold, I tap edit widget, I select widget, which should be saved in my library, and then transparent position, yes or no, and then I just have it like that. So this way I have my battery status, for example. That's how I installed it. Also, I can just go to settings and I can go to wallpaper, and then I just tap customize, add widgets, and then I can add my Mico widget from here. So I can then just add, yeah, from here. And then again, there are rectangular widgets or there are round widgets, and they should be saved in your, oopsie, so it's not saved. And now I have this. So that's how you add lock screen widget. So yeah, that's kind of the idea in the app, in the Mico widget and wallpaper app. Quite fun. Some nice reviews here, some nice ratings. So let's just check it out. So cute and easy. The app is really good and it's really cost effective. So they have a lot of promotions. Cute app, good app. If you read, some people though are not happy, again because mostly of the pricing, but still the app is quite cheap compared to other apps. Ad problems, too many pops, too many ads. That's what I've discovered. Yeah, if you're using free version, the ads are super annoying. Overall, it kind of works for me. Like, I don't need to restart the app. I just added the widget and all the widgets appear in home screen widgets, lock screen widgets. In other apps, you need to restart your phone because sometimes the app is not appearing in the widget list. But yeah, here overall, I would say 4.7 out of 5, 36,000 ratings. It's super good. I don't know how many of these ratings are AI generated, but seems good. Also, the size is almost like 400 megabytes, so it's quite large app. But overall, it's a nice choice if you're considering it. Yeah. Also, I think this is a kind of a Chinese app, so you need to know that and count the risks with your data. But yeah, here you have it. Hope it's helpful.